Foldable phones are a relatively new technology, and there are a limited number of models currently available in the market. Samsung has been the leader in this category, with their Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip series being the most popular and well-received. Other notable foldable phones include the Microsoft Surface Duo 2, which has a unique dual-screen design, and the Huawei Mate X2, which is popular in China but not widely available in other markets due to ongoing trade restrictions. Overall, while foldable phones are still a niche product category, they offer a new and exciting form factor for those seeking something different from the traditional smartphone design. So what about Apple? According to industry analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is expected to launch a foldable iPhone in 2023 with an 8-inch QHD Plus flexible OLED display. This display would be larger than the one offered by Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Kuo is a respected analyst and has a good track record when it comes to Apple predictions. The foldable iPhone might also have a protective layer on top of the screen that can defend against cracks and fill in pre-existing micro cracks. Further, it's worth noting that the 8-inch QHD Plus flexible OLED display on the rumored foldable iPhone will reportedly be supplied by Samsung, which is a major supplier of OLED displays for Apple products. Kuo has also predicted that Apple will ship 15 to 20 million foldable iPhones in 2023, indicating that Apple may be confident about the demand for this new product. To add to that, there have been some speculations about the design and features of the foldable iPhone. For instance, the device might feature a clamshell design similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, allowing the device to fold in half. Additionally, it has been suggested that Apple is exploring the use of a specialized hinge mechanism for the foldable iPhone that will allow the device to fold and unfold smoothly and seamlessly. There have also been reports of Apple testing different folding designs, including one that involves a pull-out screen from the side of the phone. Overall, while Apple has not officially confirmed the release of a foldable iPhone, the information from multiple sources suggests that Apple is indeed working on this new product and may launch it in the near future.